Hello, my beautiful red bone, yellow bone, caramel, bronze, butter pecan, cocoa, chocolate, mocha exoticals. Welcome to the Pretty Girl Club. Welcome to the Exoticals United community. If you're new here, welcome. Here in the Exoticals United community, we support men and women from the following people groups: biracials, multiracials, multigenerationally mixed, and light skinned golden people. You may be asking, what is an exotical? Well, let me make it easy for you. Mixed race equals exotical. Looking mixed equals exotical. When I use the term mixed race, I am referring to those with 25% or more non-black ancestry. I understand that mixed and biracial are not the same thing, and I never said they were. So if you are a part of the "you're not mixed enough" police, you can head over to Blackistan where you belong. Here in the Exoticals United community, we have a zero tolerance for extreme identity policing, skin tone policing, or Blackistan gaslighting tactics. If you lack the critical thinking skills required to understand what it means to be mixed race, this may not be the channel for you. We understand that mixed people can have different skin tones, hair textures, and ethnicities. Mixed people are not a monolith. Mixed people do not all have the exact same DNA mixture, and not all mixed people are 50-50 half black, half white biracials. I shouldn't even have to say that, but the internet is a place where a lot of the village idiots like to congregate. So if you're a hate watcher who came to this channel to troll, please realize that the Pretty Girl Army will troll you back. Anyway, happy November. Today we will be continuing our roasting season here in the Exoticals United community. Not only is it my birthday month, but yes, that's right, it's roasting season, baby. I will spend the entire month roasting people and starting beefs. In honor of the Exoticals United roasting season, I will be doing a highly requested video about the Manosphere. The Manosphere is rumored to have some interesting viewpoints about women, but before we get into that, let's go ahead and let the Manosphere speak for themselves.
Let's get on into it. What is a high value woman? What does high mean? More than average, unusual. That's what it means to be high, more than average or unusual. So if it's more than average, unusual, that's the overall definition of high. A high value woman, more than anything else, her usefulness to men. To be a truly high value woman, you must be useful to men. As human beings, you are judged, ladies, by the caliber of men you attract, but more importantly, that you keep. A man must want to keep you. Why is that important? Because that shows the market that you are an asset. To be an asset, you must be useful. Useful to a man. Useful to the market. The market is men. Being useful to women may make you feel good, but it's incomplete. A high value woman, in her simplest sense, is a feminine asset. What are some things that make her high value? A high value woman is attractive and appealing. A high value woman is attractive to the mind, to the body, and the spirit of a man.
Most guys don't even go explore their options. They just want you to know that they have them and they could if they wanted to. Options is something to keep you on your toes, to realize that you got something that's worth fighting for every day so you don't get comfortable. See, the real cheating would be not if he had sex with her. The real cheating would be if he bought her a house and a Mercedes. It's your job to keep him. I want you to feel the pressure. Good. You should feel the pressure every goddamn day.
What's good, everybody? It's your boy, O'Shea Dude Jackson. What the Black Manosphere teaches, it always comes full circle. If you have an ex-girlfriend and you're feeling really bad about breaking up with her, 95% of the time, she will continue to get dustier and dustier each day. Don't nobody care about you. I gotta go back to it. You haven't been to church. You've been going to the Saint Shade Room Missionary Baptist Church, okay? Saint TMZ, Saint Reality Show. When I look at your Instagram posts, it don't look nothing about God on your post. You're getting dustier and dustier and dustier each day. I'm telling all black men right now, just worry about getting rich and moving away from them. Just don't even worry about them. You done got divorced 3 times and you was having sex with David Edefeso when you wasn't married. Fornicator. I've been telling you in the black community, move away from them. Halle Berry keeps hitting the wall and can't keep a man. She's 54, struggling.
Dating over 40, no time to waste. You're still the prize. For what? A prize for what? It's like saying, I am ranked number 1 in a specific sport, right? Oh, okay. Well, is it D1? Are you ranked 1? Or is it D3? D1 from a dating culture perspective. Everyone is competing in D1. Most women want the top 10% of men. That is the D1 league. You are in the D3s. You're in a different league. But listen, it's with another D3 athlete, okay? It's another gentleman within his twilight years. And that's fine, okay? But this information that you are still the prize. I mean, prize to what? Prize to what? Maybe it's because they're all out your league and just maybe want the innards from you, the gnarled innards from you.
So as you can see, the Manosphere knows everything there is to know about women. In fact, these guys are experts on women. So much so that I've decided to act out what the Manosphere sounds like. Oh, you liked my other accent? Well, this is my southern blaccent. That's right. My name is Dr. H.G. Wells, and I am a member of the Manosphere religion. Yeah, that's right. I'm under Apostle Kevin Samuel's ministry. We call him the Godfather, and the Manosphere is my religion. You want to know my standards for a woman? I want a 23-year-old virgin supermodel with no kids, no education, and no career. She needs to submit to me and do what I say, but I get to do whatever I want. And she better stay faithful to me. Oh, but I'm polygamous though. But I can be. You know why? Because I have been anointed by the Almighty Godfather. I was raised under Apostle Kevin Samuel's and Reverend Dr. O'Shea Duke Jackson's ministry. I'm looking for the most beautiful woman I can find with self-esteem that is as low as possible. That's right. Let's go ahead and pray to the Godfather to see if he can bless us with a wonderful exotical. Dear Heavenly Godfather, I pray that you will send me a 23-year-old virgin supermodel with low self-esteem that will do everything I say. I pray that she has big boobs and a big butt, but still under a size 6 because I can't deal with these fat-ass bitches. In the name of O'Shea Duke Jackson, I pray. Amen.